What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while and I say that every single video, but I just want to let you know that I am still trying to do YouTube videos. It's just been a little crazy because of whole coronavirus thing going on, so I try to record as much haircuts as I can. I sometimes don't, or sometimes I get lazy, but I have recorded a few haircuts, so I'm going to be coming out with some new content soon. I just want to know, how is everybody doing? Hope everybody is safe out there. Hope everybody still, is working. I hope everybody's still financially stable. I know it's been crazy for this whole thing, but I do care about y'all. I just want everybody to stay safe. So what's been new with me is I got a puppy. Her name is Coda, and she's been a little crazy. So let me just take you over here real quick. Let's see what you're doing. Come on. Come on. Hey. What you been up to? Sleeping? Bean. Say hi. Come on. Don't push me. So lately I've just been, dealing with her, and it's been kind of a pain in the ass, if you know what I mean. Why does this feel a little off? Does it look a little off to you guys? Hold up, let me fix this. Better? Yeah. So in this haircut tutorial, I am doing a 2 on top with a mid-bald fade. This guy has not got cut in 5 months. So he looked pretty good after the haircut. Ha! Gay! That didn't sound right. The haircut came out fresh. Yeah. So if you guys don't follow me or subscribe to me, just subscribe to me, you guys. Put a thumbs up, you guys. Please follow me on my socials. They're on the top. It's gonna be top left, and it's gonna be in the description below. And also, I'm gonna put my Twitch channel in the description below because I do play a lot of video games and I do stream. I know it has nothing to do with barber related, but I mean, sometimes, you just gotta be versatile, because I do play a lot of Call of Duty and 2K and everything, so I stream a lot. So if you guys ever watch any streams, just come to my stream, just give me a follow, chat with me, ask me questions. It doesn't matter, man. I just be up in there vibing and chilling. So if you guys want, just come up in there, slide through, chat with me. I answer any questions, man. Stay tuned, y'all. This is Arlen. I'm out. I'll be back soon. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know it's been way too long. Things have been a little hectic with whole COVID thing going on, but I'm back. I know I've said that plenty of times, but I'm trying to make as much videos as I can. I'm just cutting out the house right now, but here goes. I am doing a 2 on top with a mid-ball fade, no hooks. This is one of my good friends from high school. I have not cut him, or he has not got cut in 5 months. So it's a 2 on top, mid-ball fade. Here we go. top, I'm gonna be going to my bald line. I am using my wall detailers, the cordless ones. I don't use these for lining up. I only use them for setting in my bald lines because I don't want to use my actual hitters, my actual good liners, because I don't want to dull out the blade and then it's not as sharp no more. So the reason why I only use these is because they cut through hair good and the blades are a little dull. So you don't need to make a sharp line, when you're doing a bald line. You just gotta make the bald line in there and then just bald it out from there. So now that I'm done balding out, I am going to be using my cordless wall seniors. I'm going to be having the lever all the way open. Make sure that the guide line is straight. You're going to see in a minute or in a second that, right there, sorry it's blurry. It wasn't focusing for some reason. But make sure that the guide line is about 1 inch to 1/2 inch. Your preference, it doesn't really matter. It depends on how big or how long your client's hair is, or so on. You want to make sure that it is straight again, because if you make sure it is straight, then the blend will come out, like all even, and you guys want that, especially when you're cutting hair. So make sure it is straight. And so for this next step, I'm gonna be using my lever all the way closed, just to take out that bottom line that I did with my, my liners or my wall detailers. So you want to make sure that it is completely out. The line is completely out. You can use the lever all the way closed, and sometimes it won't work. So you might have to go in with the liners and just use the edges or the corners just to flick it out. But how I like to blend, I like to close it and then go halfway and then open. You don't want to go past that first guide line with this, because obviously you made that guide line all the way open, so anything higher than that is just going to make the fade higher and higher. So you have that little base right there, and you just go close, halfway open. Just make sure it is all the dark spots are out. Just make it as blurry as you can. Everybody has their own preference on how they want to blend. I have mine and you have yours. So again, just do close, halfway open. And if you guys have any questions, comment below and I'll feel free to answer them. Now I have my wall one guard. You can't really see it because it's a little blurry, but it's the one guard. I'm going to be making my guideline 1/2 inch to 1 inch long, because remember I did a 2 on top, so the 1 is not really going to make a really hard line. So I'm just going 1 inch high, because I do want this blend to look kind of stretched, because you don't want really, how I like, I don't really like doing a low tight blend, especially with somebody has like a 2 or a 1 or a 3 on top, because it just looks, to me, it looks weird. But so I like stretching my blends out. So make sure that the guideline is about 1 inch to 1/2 inch. Okay. So on this next step, I have my wall zero guard. I am going to be having the lever all the way open. The reason why I have it open is so that way it just lightens it up. It's not going to take the line completely out. It's just going to lighten it up. I eventually go to halfway and then close, so I go backwards on this part, especially with my zero guard, because I like it. It makes it look a little blurrier to me. I don't know about y'all, but for me it does. So open, halfway, close, just go in reverse instead of closed, halfway open. Just go open, halfway, closed. So now that I am done with my zero guard, I am going to be using my clipper comb to take out that extra bulk on top. If you guys don't know how to use a clipper comb, you just want to keep the comb to the head, and then you want to bring it up to the hair that you want to cut. And you'll see the hair that's poking out, you just want to clip it. You don't want to dig into the hair because you might pass somebody. So that's the thing about clipper over comb. You could possibly clip somebody, but it is probably one of the fastest way to blend and probably one of the easiest ways to blend. So keep that in mind. Just if you can't figure it out, just keep practicing, y'all. Keep practicing. Practicing makes perfect, and you guys can get it down. I believe in y'all. So to the lineup here, I always tell you guys this: start from the middle and then work your way from left to right or right to left. It doesn't really matter, but you always want to start from the middle so you get that. That's exactly where you want your lineup to be, because you don't want to start from one side and then work your way to the middle, and then that side is going to be real high and then the other side is going to be low. So you want to work your way from the middle. It's probably one of the best ways. I think it's the best way. I'm not saying it is, but that's just how I do it. If you guys want to follow these steps, you guys could. If you guys have your own way, I understand. But just start from the middle and then work your way from left to right. I do eventually end up putting enhancements in his hair, but I did not record it because my camera battery died. So I didn't record that part. So in my next video, I think I would. So just keep in mind, you guys, middle, left, right.